This video is going to be a quick review on finding factors. And to start off with, if I put a problem down here like this, 5 times 6 equals 30. The numbers 5 and 6 are factors. And then the number 30 is the product. So in a multiplication problem, the answer is called the product, and the numbers that you're multiplying together are called the factors. Being able to determine or find factors will help you in a number of different things this year in math. It's going to help you with fractions later on in the year. We'll talk about prime factorization. So when I'm finding factors, let's start with a nice easy number of 10. You will find a number of different ways to do it. Some people do a factor rainbow. Some people do, and I like to do factor T's. I call them factor T's. To find a factor, we think of what two numbers multiplied together will equal 10. Well, we always know 1 is going to be one of the numbers. 1 is going to be a factor of whatever number. 1 times 10 is 10. Then, after 1, we think about 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times nothing is 10. 3 doesn't work. 4 times nothing is 10. 4 doesn't work, which brings us to 5. Once we know we're at 5, we know we have all of them. So for number 10, there are 4 factors. Those people who use the factor rainbows, that would look like this. 1 times 10. And then 2 and 5. Let's put a bigger number up here. Let's go with the number 30. Again, I'm just going to do a T this time. And I always start with 1. I know 1 works. 1 times 30 is 30. Then I go to the next number, 2. 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 doesn't work. 5 does work. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. We're going to do one more, and the one that we're going to do this time is 16, number 16. Factor T, let's change color here. Again, 1 always works, 1 times 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 doesn't work. 4 works. 4 times 4 is 16. Because we're at a point where we have the same number, we know that have found all the factors for 16. Now, with that being said, if we're going to write down all of the factors for 16, we'd write it this way: 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. When I'm filling out my chart, I like to write both numbers down, but if we're going for the number of factors or what the factors are, we don't repeat those numbers. One final reminder: if you don't know your multiplication tables, don't waste time trying to think about the factors. Give yourself a little bit of time to think about it, but if you're not getting it, or if you know you don't know, go straight to your multiplication chart. That can help you out. If you have any questions, let Mr. Brandt know, and thanks for watching.